Today, let's see topic about data types in C programming. Before that, let's see what is data type. Data type specify the type of data a variable can store. They help the compiler allocate memory efficiently. Example, int age is equal to 25 semicolon. It is example for data type integer. Float price is equal to 99.50 semicolon. This is example for data type float. Char grade is equal to single quotes a semicolon. It is example for data type character. Next, let's see the categories of data types. Here are 4 data types: basic data types, derived data types, enumeration data type, void data type. For basic data type, it includes int, char, float, double. Derived data types, it includes array, pointer, structure, and union. Now, let's see the overview of basic data type. First one, integer. It is used for integers. Mainly, it is used for whole numbers only. Char. It is used for single characters and it is mainly denoted by single quotes only. Float. It is used for decimal values and it is 6-digit precision. Double. It is used for large decimal values and it is 15-digit precision. Next, let's see the integer data type. We'll call it as int. It is used to store whole numbers and its size is 2 or 4 bytes. Range for 2 bytes minus 32, 768 to 32, 767. For format specifier integer is %d. Before that, what is format specifier? To provide an instruction to input and output function like printf and scanf on how to interpret and display data. Let's see the example for integer data type. Int count is equal to 100 semicolon. Here it is the example for integer data type. Next, let's see the floating point data types. It is used to store fractional values. Float for 4 bytes it is 6-digit precision. Double 8 bytes and it is 15-digit precision. Format specifier for float is %f and format specifier for double is %lf. Here, let's see the example for floating point data types. Float price is equal to 45.6 semicolon. Double distance is equal to 12345.6789 semicolon. This is example for floating data types. Now let's see the character data type. We denote it as char. It is used to store single characters and its size is 1 byte. Its range is -128 to 127 or 0 to 255. It is stored as ASCII value and format specifier is %c. So for every lowercase and uppercase, they has an ASCII value. For lowercase letter A, ASCII value is 97. For lowercase letter, ASCII value is 122. For uppercase letter A, ASCII value is 65. For uppercase value Z, ASCII value is 90. By using these 4 ASCII values, you can attend ASCII values program very easily. Example for character data type. char grade is equal to single quotes a semicolon. It is example for character data type. Derived data types. Derived data types are formed using basic data types. First one, array, pointer, structure, union. Array, a collection of same type of elements. Pointers, stores address of variable. Structure, combines different data types. Union, shares a memory among members. Now let's see the declaration of array. Data type space array name square bracket. Inside the square bracket we need to write the size of array. For example, int marks square bracket 3. Here int is data type, mark is variable name, square bracket inside 3 is array size. So equal to 85 90 95. It is used to store multiple values of same type. Structure and union example. Structure example, struct student int id semicolon char name size 20 semicolon. Union example, union data int I float f semicolon. Enumeration and void data types. Enumeration assign names to integer constants. Example, m week curly bracket Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So it means it assigns name to integer constants only for same match. Void data type represent no value or empty return type. Example, void display. Thank you.